connect towards your PayPal account, you only need a few things. First of all, you will be able to select between a sandbox mode and a live mode. If you want to connect towards your PayPal live account, you'll be able to fill in your live account details. Once you logged into PayPal, you can go to your PayPal developer applications. You can create a new app. From here, you can give your app a name. You can select your app type. Most times merchant is sufficient. And you can then say create the app. Once you created the app, you will get certain details. First of all, you will get your Sandbox API credentials, like your Sandbox account and your client ID, along with your client secret. So if you show this, you will see the client secret. You can fill in these accounts, like the client ID and the client secret, within your settings inside of your platform. If you want to select the live account mode, you can just select the mode here in the dropdown and go back towards your PayPal app developer section and create an app on the live tab. Once done, just press save and you will see a verified status on the top right corner.